So we spent the past 3 hours doing Snake, and every time we come to an obstacle, we said, no, we're going to push through it, and we're going to get our Jeep badge of honor for our Lexus. And we finally made it through the trail, and only after making it through the trail and getting a dent, we learn it's no longer a Jeep badge of honor trail, and we are gonna have to settle for this generic badge instead. So that's life.
You live,
We'll wear
you
the
learn.
scars.